Hello, I am Aking. Welcome to the Aidio킹덤 channel. Today, I'm going to make a Korean toast, one of my favorite Korean street food. Street toast is a common sight on the streets of Korea. When I was given toast in a paper cup for breakfast on my way to work, it was so delicious that I ate it every day. Dear Aking friends, please let me know one street food from each country in the comments. If I get the chance, I will definitely buy it and try it. Now, let's make a Korean street toast. Let's take a look at simple ingredients and tools. I'm going to cut the cabbage very thinly. The thinner, the better. It cooks evenly and quickly. However, it is difficult to cut the cabbage. Any ideas on how to cut it easily without using too much force?
아이디어Korean, 진짜 한국, 아이디어킹덤.
I will try using the tool. You can cut the cabbage easily, thinly, and quickly. Aking research ideas on how to make everyday cooking easier. I will chop a bit of carrot. If you needed to make a large amount, it's definitely a good idea to use a tool. The handle cups and chopsticks are the highlights. Put half of a cup of cabbage, a little carrot, and one egg in a cup with a handle. Mix it with a chopstick. Once you try them, you will see how easy it is. I love adjusting, mixing, and shaping with using them. For your house, I prepare whole wheat bread today. Melt a little more butter and toast both sides of whole wheat bread until crispy and golden brown. I will sprinkle about a teaspoon of sugar. Actually, I will sweeten it with olive oil instead of sugar. Honey is also good. Is there any idea to spread a thin layer of ketchup like a store-bought toast? Cover the lid and secure it with a rubber band and then drill a small hole. It comes out the thin and looks like one sold at the store. Try it like this. 아이디어킹덤. Korean street toast completed. The scent of butter added flavor to the bread. Vegetables with egg are crunchy and overall it's sweet and savory. I think it tastes better when it's hot. I made it simple today. Aking friends, you can make it creativity by adding cucumber, ham, cheese, apple, bacon, and so on, according to your taste. If you made it, please leave a comment on Instagram or Facebook so we can communicate together. Thank you for watching Real Korea, 진짜 한국, 아이디어킹덤. See you next time. 상상이 현실이 되다.
아이디어Korean, 진짜 한국, 아이디어킹덤.
Aking friends, have a fun, make a happy everyday with 아이디어킹덤. 또 만나요. See you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Love you!